Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but pila banleg group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riwe khandai pra.
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kala yob man Khur Tylli ki Kyrdan haka top 10 jangka result Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Science but Commerce Stream balapin banada ka Meghalaya Board of School Education haka khandai tri ujumang arhaja apulai haka Science Stream kanika school kala yoban ban ya ka Kyrdan ka balai lingba ka Eshita Bhattacharji ka balai yo Khur South pa andrup khandai marks haka Kyrdan ka basan lingba ka Somitra Jha ka balai yoban Khur South pa andrup ho marks haka Kyrdan ka bahnyau lingba ka Sargam Datta but Usharmin Khongsit ki balai yoban Khur South pa san pusau marks haka Kyrdan ka bapra lingba usar gampol ubalai yoban Khur South pa san pulai marks haka Kyrdan ka bakhandai lingba u Biswadip nat ubalai yoban Khur South pa san po marks but ka samjanai sinna ka balai yoban Khur South pa sa punru marks haka Commerce Stream kaniga school kala yoban bat ya ka Kyrdan ka baar lingba u Akshat Podar ubalai yoban Khur South pa nyapu marks haka Kyrdan ka baar lingba ka Satakshi Das but ka Sneha Pol ki balai yoban Khur mar South pa andru pulai marks haka Kyrdan ka basan lingba u Deepak Sethia ubala yoban Khur South pa san pusau marks haka Kyrdan ka ban Rio lingba u Neng Nei Ching ubala yoban Khur South pa san pulai marks haka Kyrdan ka bahnyau lingba ka Phiba Lamlanti Marwen ka bala yoban Khur South pa san puwai marks but haka Kyrdan ka bakhandai lingba u Kashi Sharma ubala yoban Khur South pa sa pupra marks.
I secured the 5th rank. Around 3.5 to 4 hours every day. If the odds favor, then I'll try to pursue a career in software engineering, but if I don't get the chance to do that, then I'll keep the options open. One piece of advice I'd like to give would be not to overstress yourself with the burden of securing good marks, because if you try to study as much as you can and try to understand as much as you can, marks come along with it. I'd like to thank everyone who has been by my side since day one. My teachers, my parents, everybody, my tutors, everyone who has helped me till now. And I would like to credit them with my success that I have achieved today.
And I was studying commerce stream. Today I got my results and I got the 2nd rank in commerce stream, and I'm feeling extremely happy right now. The feeling which I am having right now is really inexplicable. I am also really very grateful to our teachers who keep us motivating, who always help us, never denied to help us. Whenever I used to text them, they never refused to help. So, and also I would like to thank my parents for bringing me here up. And I'm also very grateful to my tuition teacher. He also helped me a lot. The feeling is inexplicable. I'm feeling very happy right now. I was not expecting this much. I was expecting good results, but not the 2nd rank. I didn't study every day, to be honest, but I study 1 month before exam, daily, 2 hours daily. I am planning to become a CA. I will study in some Delhi University. Today I would like to congratulate all students who have got their results. I would like to say them all the best for their future endeavors, for giving us such a pleasant environment, studying environment. I would also like to thank our father principal for giving us the facilities to study and for the support that he gave us. And I'm very grateful to our teachers. Because of them only I achieved this success today.
Students who have not made it, I would just say that we have to work hard, we have to be consistent, and we have to be determined. If we're not consistent and hardworking, then it's difficult to achieve the goals that we want to achieve. And to the students who have achieved, I'd like to say that they've really done a great job, and yeah, that's all. Future plans. I'm planning to, I've attempted NEET last Sunday, and then I think I'll have to take coaching for a year, and then I'll attempt NEET again. And after that, if I crack NEET successfully, then I'll go for medical. Since class 11, I had been going to this coaching center, Secure Point. It's here only in Limitra. And there the teachers were actually very, very nice and very helpful. And even the teachers of our school, they have helped me a lot throughout this journey. And yes, it was really hard, it was hectic, but then I made it through somehow with the help of everyone, my parents of course. And in a day, during the school hours, like when we were having schools, like during those days, I couldn't really study much, like only at night I used to get time, and I couldn't get up in the morning, so only at night I studied. And then, I think 3 months before the exam started, we got plenty of holidays, so during that time I studied in the morning and at night. Actually, I was a bit weak in physics, so maybe because of that, my rank dropped. And I didn't even expect that I'll get, 7th rank. So it was just unexpected and it was just overwhelming for me.
Hakni ke ski ke bakra ke kapang kam sampai hakaba Kembos klapen benaya ka Hsslc jong ki class 12 jong ki science but ki commerce. Te sechisin ublay la ka khu ya ki jing trace tom ya ki jong ki khna but kam sampai ya ki institution bana ko ke por hadu mentau slam but hakini ki slam ru nila long berbor ki ba khmat du jong ka results ya mentau stem ya ki jing ka khu jong ublay ni ki khna jing ki la le bha but nila don ku ba nyongot ki ba yo rank holders na ki science stream nyongot na ki commerce ki khna ki ba yele ha ka commerce stream ki don ku ba shispa prapinyo ki science stream ki don ku ba shispa santul rio ngot te da kini ni iba baro ki le pas bha ka science stream yo 98.0% and hagya commerce stream pat yo 97%. The overall ni iba ki khna jungi ki lai le bha but ka jing kublay ning kong e sai sit ba nga tin jong blay kum ba shim na ka sam khandai pwe khat ka ba khat saw ter ka ong. The Lord will rescue all those who love him, and the Lord will protect all those who trust him, and the Lord will continue to be with them as long as they are faithful with him, and he will continue to pour his blessings and reward them for their faithfulness. Patrai gade gani hi gijing ikai jong ka institution jongi ya ki khna ningkong e ha gijing tibliu tiblai but barbor ni aju ikai ya kiru ha ka jing kiu ha ka akor ka burong te de gijing yat bot but yat pertu jong ki khna ka jai jing long tips ni gijing ko sleng gijing ki gijing ikai gijing bo din jong ki no ikai ki kli ki pa nilai trei lang kum ko ke team but habang ya trei lang kum ko ke team ni nge scam bang yor ya ta so babang bathian esa sin nga a gijing ku ble ke bakat pang ya ikna ki dawra e ka nam ko brom yo ble ya ki mi ki pa ki bahi ngesam kam ta me ka school jungi ai ka ble ya ka managing committee jong ka school ka managing body delimba ka managing committee ka ba laju pet laju penyai adong shedong ke jing ndak biang hala lo ke development jong ban ai ke jing ki infrastructure ki biang babit na ka bintang ki kena but kila penon kamha ya kini ki bro but haba yu i ba ki penon kamha kan no ka jing snok men na ka benta ni ki dong penyai habang yu i ba ki kena kila le bha but sakwe ru ke jing kuble ke pange ke dei ke ya shaki evenings no kai ki ban kai evening section namar evening section ke de ki kena ki bayo ki low percentage ni shim na do ki ba live 100% ki bayo live nyo ba has percentage today bayo sa 100% ki evening section lewat kat taruk kila pass bah but ha common stream le kila pass bah dak ba pen ba ka first batch but kila ora yo kata result bah ka school ni ni ai play baro sebelum ya father vice principal be trelang kat bat father principal but ha dia corporate commitment dedication jo kinoi kai la yo yang ni so ba ora ini sya ka jingman ba poi sya ka thong but ni ai kit bokit yang ni na ba ni ke de jing sedang benukong nang nin skmat nang ya tur susu da kata ke jing trace tom ke jing minot ke jing sya ke jing duai ke jing haladi ke senang job susu ha ki benta ba phe ke ba ma ki sai ko public ke pange ke de ke ya sya ki evening student ki kena ki bawan na ka long ying long sam ki baduk ki bawan na ki nong hendong ki ba trace ha ki por step pada ki por janmit ki biyo por kwan school na do ars cheng hadu riu beji bat kila le bha makiru le yo percentage ko biang bha bat ka common stream le ngam chimla perkhat ma kin pass bha ma chpawut kia first batch jongki kia appear barok kia pass but argon apdeng jongki yo first division we yo likely distinction